In our classrooms and centers, preschoolers are learning about the stars through visual art, using flowers to play a movement game, and that's just the beginning. Through hands-on activities, these kiddos are learning about creative expression, language, and literacy, and having fun while they do it. Preschoolers are practicing a wide range of motor skills and building social and emotional skills, all while exploring, planning out ideas, and problem solving. Watch some of these confidence-boosting activities in action. Scoot back. Do you see your paper? We are turning art upside down in our preschool classrooms. In our centers, we are exploring the night sky through a visual art experience. And to make it even more fun, we tape black construction paper to the bottom of the tables. This way, preschoolers lay down like they're looking up at the night sky as they draw constellations. This hands-on activity ignites their curiosity about science while helping with cognitive development, physical development, executive function, language and literacy, and creative expression. You might want a flower with petals, you might want a tulip, I don't know. You got leaves, you got sticks. We are picking flowers to get moving in our preschool classrooms. Our centers are geared up for gross motor fun with the flower movement game. Preschoolers pick a flower and do the movement that corresponds with flower they chose. For example, a blue flower might mean you get to jump 10 times. Great for physical and wellness development, this game also helps with cognitive development, executive function, language and literacy, and social and emotional development. Our preschool classrooms are showing their art skills in a whole new way. Graduating from the black and white art they made as babies and shadow painting as toddlers, preschoolers are experimenting with watercolors. Practicing their fine motor skills by increasing their control over their paintbrushes, this hands-on activity helps with language and literacy development by asking preschoolers to identify and name 5 to 10 letters out of sequence. Remember, every child is unique with their own interests and personality, and every child grows up at their own pace, in their own way, and that's what makes your child special.